Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can transfer contact from phone to SIM card in Android, especially on Samsung. Okay, let's get to it. Go to your contact application on your phone and then you can tap this icon and choose manage contacts. And here there will be some option for you, and if you want to copy your contact from your phone to SIM card, you can click import or export. But if you want to move your contact, you can click move contact. And today we're going to copy contact from phone to SIM card, and we can choose import or export contacts, and then you can click export. And then you can choose the SIM card that you want to transfer your contact to it, and I'm going to choose SIM1. And you can select the contact that you want to transfer, and if you want to transfer all of your contact, you can click select contact right here. But if you just want to transfer some contacts, you can click on the contact like this, and you can click done, and then you can click export and click export again. And alright, wait for a moment. Okay guys, our 4 contacts have been exported to SIM1. Okay, that's how we can transfer our contact from phone to SIM card, and thanks for watching.